வணக்கம். 9th Standard Science English Medium, Unit number 15, Carbon and its Compounds, Textbook Exercises. Choose the correct answer. A phenomenon in which an element exists in different modification in same physical state is called answer is option B, allotropy. Carbon forms large number of organic compounds due to answer is option D, catenation. Nandini brings his lunch every day to school in a plastic container which has resin code number 5. The container is made up of answer option C, polypropylene. Plastics made of polycarbonate PC and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene ABS are made of resin code answer option D, 7. Graphene is one atom thick layer of carbon obtained from answer option C, graphite. The legal measures to prevent plastic pollution come under the Dust Protection Act 1988. Answer option C, environment. Fill in the blanks. Dust named carbon. Answer Anthony Lavoisier. Buckminster fluorine contains dust carbon atoms 60. Compounds with same molecular formula and different structural formula are known as isomers. Dust is a suitable solvent for sulfur. Answer allotropy. There are dust plastic resin codes. There are 7 plastic resin codes. Match the following. Column A, column B are given. In column A, alkyne, antioxidant, carbon 60, thermocol, combustion are given. In column B, buckyball, oxidation, graphene, triple bond, polystyrene are given. The answers are shuffled. We have to match it correctly. Let us see the answer. Alkene, triple bond. Alkene, triple bond. Androgen, graphene. Androgen, graphene. Carbon 60, buckyball. Thermocol, polystyrene. Thermocol, polystyrene. Combustion, oxidation. Combustion, oxidation. Answer briefly. First question, differentiate graphite and diamond. Graphite, each carbon atom has 3 covalent bonds. Diamond, each carbon atom has 4 covalent bonds. Graphite, soft, slippery to touch and opaque. Diamond, hard, heavy and transparent. Graphite, it has planar layers of hexagon units. Diamond, it has tetrahedral units linked in 3 dimensions. Graphite, it is a conductor of heat and electricity. Diamond, it is non-conductor of heat and electricity. Write all possible isomers of C4H10. N-butene and isobutene. Question number 3. Carbon forms only covalent compounds. Why? Answer. Carbon forms only covalent compounds because it has 4 electrons in it. Define allotropy. Allotropy is a property by which element can exist in more than one form that are physically different and chemically similar. Question number 5. Why are one-time use and throw away plastics harmful? Answer: use and throw away plastics cause short and long-term environmental damage. Half of all the plastic made today is used for throwaway plastic items. These block drains and pollute water bodies. One-time use plastic causes health problems for humans, plants and animals. Some examples for are plastic carry bags, cups, plates, straws, water pouches, cutlery and plastic seeds used for food wrapping. Answer in detail: what is catenation? How does carbon form catenated compounds? Answer: catenation is binding of an element to itself or with other elements through covalent bonds to form open chain or closed chain compounds. Carbon is the most common element which undergoes catenation and long chain compounds. Carbon atoms links repeatedly to itself through covalent bond to form linear branch chain or ring structure. This property of carbon itself is the reason for the presence of large number of organic carbon compounds. So, organic chemistry essentially deals with catenated carbon compounds. Example: starch and cellulose contain chains of hundreds of carbon atoms. Question number 2. What are the chemical reactions of carbon? Answer: elemental carbon undergoes no reaction at room temperature. Oxidation: carbon combines with oxygen to form its oxides such as carbon monoxide CO and carbon dioxide CO2 with evolution of heat. Organic carbon compounds like hydrocarbon also undergo oxidation to form oxides and steam with evolution of heat and flame. This reaction is also called combustion. 2 carbon plus oxygen gives 2 CO, carbon monoxide plus heat. C carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus heat. CH4, that is methane plus 2O2, oxygen gives CO2 plus 2H2O plus heat. Carbon dioxide plus water plus heat. Reaction with steam: carbon reacts with steam to form carbon monoxide hydrogen. This mixture is called water gas. C carbon plus H2O, water gives carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Reaction with sulfur, carbon forms its disulfide at high temperature. Carbon plus sulfur gives carbon disulfide. Reaction with metals: at elevated temperatures, carbon reacts with some metals like iron, tungsten, titanium, etc. to form their carbides. W plus C gives WC. Question number 3. Name the 3 safer resin codes of plastics and describe their features. Resin code. First one, resin code 2, other names PEHT, common items, bottles, sample detergent, etc., toys, plastic bags and waste bins. About: consider one of the safer plastics. It is light, very strong and widely recycled. Resin code 4, other names PELD, LLDPE, common items, food packaging, plastic bags, food storage containers and plastic coating on the inside of the paper cups. About: considered one of the safer plastics. It is very flexible and soft but strong. Resin code 5, other names PP, polypropylene, common items, bottle caps, straws, food containers, hot pencil cases and plastic chairs. About: consider one of the safer plastics. It feels waxy or greasy. It is light and hard but scratches easily. Higher order thinking skills. Question number 1. Why do carbon exist mostly in combined state? Carbon is an element that can form many different compounds. Each carbon atom can form 4 chemical compounds with other atoms, and because the carbon atom is just the right size to fit in comfortably as parts of very large molecules. Question number 2. When a carbon fuel burns in less aerated room, it's dangerous to stay the why. It is dangerous to stay the why. Answer. When a carbon fuel burns in less aerated room, the fuel may undergo incomplete combustion. It results in the formation of carbon monoxide. When exposed to carbon monoxide, that is CO, it enters human body through breathing, affects the function of hemoglobin. Sometimes it will lead to death. Question number 3. Explain how dioxins are formed, which plastic type they are linked to, and why they are harmful to humans. Answer. Dioxin formation. Dioxin compounds are not created intentionally but are formed inadvertently by a number of human and natural activities. These activities include combustion and incineration, forest fires, chlorine, bleaching of pulp and paper, certain types of chemical manufacturing and processing, and other industrial process. Cigarette smoke, some home heating systems, and exhaust from vehicles using leaded and unleaded petrol as well as diesel fuels also produce small amounts of dioxins. Burning materials that may contain chlorine such as plastics, wood treated with pentachlorophenol PCP, pesticide treated waste, other chemicals such as polychlorinated biphenyls PCBs, and even bleached paper can produce dioxins. They are linked with plastic. Dioxins are linked with PVC, polyvinyl chloride plastics. The most dangerous emissions can be caused by burning PVC as it releases dioxins. Harmful effects of dioxins to humans. Dioxins are the most toxic to human organisms. Dioxins can cause cancer, disrupt the endocrine system, alteration in pituitary and thyroid gland functions, immune suppression, neurobehavioral effects, and cause reproductive and developmental effects. They are carcinogenic and a hormone disruptor and persistent, and they accumulate in our body fat, and thus mothers give it directly to their babies via the placenta. Question number 4. Yoga wants to buy a plastic water bottle. She goes to the shop and sees 4 different kinds of plastic bottles with the resin codes 1, 3, 5 and 7. Which one should she buy? Why? Answer. Yoga should buy a plastic water bottle with resin code number 5, which is considered as one of the safer plastics. It is light and hard. Reasons to avoid resin codes 1, 3 and 7. Bottle with resin code 1 is to be used only once. This plastic can release a chemical additive called antimony, which is not good for health. Bottle with resin code 3 is the most toxic plastic. It will have a smell of a new shoe. It should be avoided. Bottle with resin code 7 has the plastic types PC and ABS, which are unsafe and toxic. Thank you.